Whoa, what's this?
Mystery, this is a thing that we like to call Immich.
Recently, we added Immich as a standalone app in AppCentral.
Immich, what's that?
Immich is a modern self-hosted platform for managing photos and videos in a way similar to Google Photos or iCloud. Use Immich to automatically upload, search, and organize your media without a cloud provider involved. Your data stays with you on your own NAS. For those who value privacy and independence, Immich is a real alternative to major cloud services. There are no ads, no hidden subscription models, no data scraping of your photos, just you and your data. One major advantage compared to many commercial services is that Immich automatically recognizes people in your pictures, sorts them by location, and shows your memories from previous years, all without sending your data to a cloud. Immich even supports live photos and 4K videos.
That's very neat. Tell me more.
On top of that, the interface is very modern and has apps available for Android and iOS. Using Immich together with an ASUSTOR NAS, you get a secure and flexible system that gives you access to your photos and videos anytime, whether you are at home or on the go. And this is how easy it is. And it's that simple. Have questions? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.